Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A15s, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using settings as an example for this, and once the content is open and visible, all you need to do is press and hold power key and volume down at the same time. There we go. As you can see, it shows up that it captured it. You can swipe up to share or swipe down to capture a scrollable screenshot. As you can see, it starts scrolling. You can tap on it to stop it from scrolling, and it looks like we can also scroll down ourselves a little bit further to expand it. So from here, click on done, and this will process it and then allow you to save it by tapping on the check mark. So now that we have captured our screenshot, you can find that screenshot in, there we go, in albums, under screenshots obviously, or just in photos. It should also appear right here. So there we go. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.